Now to the story of an animal just starting out in life off Victoria's waterfront. An orca calf has been spotted clinging to its mom, a birth which has whale experts breaking out the cigars. Southern resident killer whales are endangered, but this year they seem to be thriving. A-News reporter Andrew Johnson has the story. He's live in our newsroom. Andrew?
Eric, there are no guarantees the little whale calf will survive the winter, but whale experts are optimistic. And the first pictures of the baby orca will make you smile. It's being called a killer whale baby boom. 5 births in 1 year for a community of less than 90 southern resident orcas who call the waters off Victoria home for much of the year.
Any time that we hear of any youngster in an endangered population is good news, but especially good news when it's our southern residents.
The latest reason for whale watchers to pop the cork came on Remembrance Day. This little guy, or girl, clinging to its mom, a picture snapped by whale researcher Mark Mallison.
Fortunately, we were able to spot it with just enough light to get a shot of it.
We won't know whether the calf is male or female for months or even years, depending on when researchers can get a good look at its underside.
The markings, the black and white markings, differ between male and female right from birth. So if we can get some nice looks at the animal, if he or she is playing and maybe rolling over at the surface, we may know right away.
About 10 years ago, the southern resident population plummeted by 20% when its food supply, Chinook salmon, also nosedived. But now that's turning around.
This year, it felt like there was more fish around, more Chinook salmon around, talking to the fishermen, seeing the whales' movements.
But that doesn't mean the little one born to 16-year-old first-time mom Polaris will survive the winter. It has only about a 50-50 shot. Experts say ocean contaminants that get into the whale's fat tissue are partially to blame.
Everybody knows mother's milk helps keep babies warm and allows them to grow, partly because it's fat rich. And so with a first mother, we can get an effect of a little bit of a toxic cocktail coming through in the mother's milk.
This calf does have one very important factor in its favor, a strong and loving support system.
We certainly do see that with this family. The grandmother, J17, very well known in these parts. She has been a very good mom to her calves.
Researchers hope the orca calf will live to see the next century. If not, we'll never forget its baby picture. Eric, the researchers tell me it's actually a bit surprising the whale calf was spotted this time of year because there are so many fewer boats on the water and because the calves tend to hide behind their moms. What is not surprising is the outpouring of affection for the whale. Hopefully it will live a long life.
Got to comment on your mustache. Just awesome. Great story and great mustache.
I thought you were going to say awful.
No, it's great.
Okay.
Thank you, Andrew.